So we just had a holiday gift set reveal. Our team surprised us with a bunch of stuff, which was very, very fun. We had a really good time reviewing everything, going through everything. So definitely stay tuned. So immediately, this bag. I've been eyeing this company. I don't even know what's inside yet. Yes. Baboon to the moon. I've been looking at this bag, so immediately that catches my eye for a holiday set. So let's see what's inside. I kind of have an idea.
I don't even know what brand this is.
I kind of feel like the skincare brand that, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Okay, Drunk Elephant is really good about like cool packaging, partnering with like cool brands for like bags, things that you actually want to keep after the holidays, which I think is really cool. And this is massive.
This has to be called massive.
Like a trunk set or something because it has everything in it.
This might not go back in the bag. Oh, this is really good. So good. This is the one that comes in powder form. This is excellent. This is probably one of my favorite, strongest vitamin C serums because it comes as a powder. So you mix it with a serum. It's super stable and it's potent.
Yes, the lion's share. I knew it was something like had a cool name. It was kind of like massive and big. So this is definitely a great one if you are a Drunk Elephant fan. If you're wanting to try it, you can go in on this with a friend. And
this is literally like almost their entire collection of everything.
Baby facial.
Literally, you get the polypeptide, Pro Cream, the Debronzy, the TLC, which is a great night serum for exfoliating, make your skin look young and beautiful.
This, like, print inside.
This is really, really cool.
Yeah.
I mean, but they always do it great. So this is one of those products, grab it quick because every Drunk Elephant fan, every skincare fan is gonna snatch this up really quick. They're gonna want this.
Every partner that needs to, you know, get back in the good graces of someone is gonna buy this really It's not gonna last long, so I won't say it's gonna be a last minute gift, but it's gonna be a great gift. Sephora Favorites kits are my favorite because they always have such good stuff in here.
Which one did you get?
I got the holiday lip kit.
I got the Glitz and Glam. These disappear really, really fast. The value's out of control. This one's only $49.
Mine has 3 full-size products in it. Yours has 2 full-size products.
It has a full-size velour lash. Those are gorgeous. Iconic. This is a really good setting spray that gives you like a really beautiful dewy glow.
Yeah, this Patricia gloss.
Glow recipe. Love a little skincare.
This is cool.
Ooh, I love this. Oh, the Kosas wet lip oil is so good. It feels incredible on the lips.
Yours is like a full face. I like this because this is like the neutral girl lip set. Like there's really always something in here. And this may look like it's red, but it just kind of gives you like the look of like a flushed stained lip. Divine Rose from
I got a lip liner too. Huda Beauty, classic. Oh, the Ilia Cream eyeshadows. These are really good. This is actually a lot.
Yeah,
because you need a drop of this.
I've been wearing Dove, the gray color, since it launched,
so
and I haven't put it in it, so really good.
How cute is this? LYS Little Cream Blush. This is
and that's a lot because they give you a lot of blush.
Again, these are really good value.
Pillow Talk lip liner. I know a lot of people want to try Pillow Talk. So the lip liners are good choice. I have a Huda lip liner too.
Benefit brow products are always good. That's the Fluff Up Wax. Jisoo lip hair oil.
Yeah.
Wow. That's like a really good value. Look at that. Like, who wouldn't love that as a gift set?
Yeah, and if you're like me, I know people laugh at me, but I'll just take what I want and then make a little gift bag for my friend. They will never be the wiser. These are perfect little sets. Or put these in my makeup kit. They're tiny, so they're perfect.
Travel, if you travel a lot, these are all great products that are easy packable. This is so good. I know, this is so
cute. Recipe, the niacinamide drops.
These are great. These will fly off the shelves. I highly recommend you grab these ASAP. Like I said, the value here is so good. Ooh, goody goodies.
A piggy bank for you, basically.
This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Vault. This is some good amount here. We got a lot of stuff in here. So these are the alpha beta peels, the extra strength.
The extra strength and 35 of the universal.
I go right for these, the extra strength. If you know my motto, I like a really strong acid to melt my face off.
So do I.
I love it. This is so good. Literally cannot go wrong with this gift. It has won so many awards. It's such an iconic product.
So I actually just asked all my friends if they needed brushes because I thought that would be a really good like holiday gift. What I love about this is it's all my favorite brushes. I love the foundation brush. That's the one I recommend to everybody. And the best thing...
I'm just gonna open it.
Just gonna get to that.
Open the gifts, baby.
I mean, the best thing is this is $95 for all these brushes. And these are the pro level brushes.
Oh, it's a standing case too.
Yeah.
They've done this like a real traditional professional set. Look, this little piece right here, it snaps in there so that when you set it, it doesn't move. It keeps it stable for you so your brushes stand up. So nice.
Missed? They're glittery. We missed it. They're glittery. How pretty. So
now I need this kit.
I know. The exact same pro brushes, but you get this limited edition glitter finish, which is really pretty.
Okay, everyone at Sephora listening who markets brushes, this should be the permanent way these brushes are made from now on. This is very cool looking. I want this now.
Okay, yeah. I just said I didn't need
just for that.
Yeah.
Just for that, you and I are gonna order it.
Okay, I already know. Our team set this down in front of us as a surprise. I know the exact shade of bronze Danessa uses.
I know the brand. I just don't know what it is.
And okay, my guess, I could see this fuchsia and this orange. It's the blush. See, I'm smart.
Oh, she's good. Oh, this is cute packaging.
So this is the Yummy Skin formula.
I have to go for the colorful thing right away.
This is, I think, one of like the most innovative products I've ever tried. She has
a very cool formula.
The blurring powder and the translucent, which is what you get here. The blush, and then the foundation. And I use all three, and they're so good, especially if you have oily skin or skin that just gets a little bit of shine. This is like one of the things I can wear for like 14 hours, and it just does not ever fade, which is
you would think that a cream would not be good for oily skin, but this formula turns from like a creamy gel into a powdery blur. So it's smooth. It looks like you have a filter on all the time. This blush, by the way, is so beautiful.
Yeah, that's...
I have the orange melted shade, in.
Which I really like.
This is so nice.
What I love about this one, you can use it as a primer. Like, I know people with oily skin like are always on the hunt for a primer, and there's usually not something that works completely 100%, but this one just works so well. Put on as a primer, or if you have an oily spot, take it and press it in. I wear it with my sunscreen when I go on walks because I looked really glossed up and I just want a little bit of mattifying, just a little bit. Like, it is absolutely so good if you have like a tropical destination you're going to for the holidays or something. Like, this is it.
This one's throwing me for a loop.
I would say Drunk Elephant, but we already did it. It's skincare.
It's definitely skincare. Do you know what it is?
We're trying to guess from the packaging.
We really haven't seen the front yet.
Use all our years of knowledge to guess what this is.
I think it's Ole Henriksen.
That's a good guess.
Because this little star sign here, but I could be wrong. I was totally wrong. We were both wrong. It's not even skincare.
It goes on your skin.
Oh my!
This is the Fenty.
Oh, it's the perfume.
That's why.
That's why.
It's a different identity than Fenty Beauty, so it's gonna look a little bit different. This is really nice because you're getting the full size and you're getting the sprayer.
Okay, look at this. Look.
I just saw this on social.
This is so
cute.
Cute. That's the sprayer. Should I spray it?
Yeah. And there's orange blossom in there.
Oh, that's really nice, actually.
Yeah, it's nice.
Have you smelled it before?
Yeah, it's a good one.
You can smell.
It's a good one.
I'll waft it over to you.
It's a good one. I'll keep that. I'll give this to somebody else. They won't even know.
Really good. I think everybody's been anticipating this fragrance. Really, you can't go wrong with this. This is a great gift. I think most people are going to buy this for themselves, to be honest.
Well, yeah, it's been a little like hard to find. It's been kind of exclusive for a while, so for sure.
Okay, I can tell what that is, obviously, because that says it on it. Rare Beauty always does a really nice combo gift set.
I haven't tried these. This is the lip butter balm set. 3 different ones: vanilla, cherry, and iced coffee.
This is nice. These are both full size. The tinted lip oil and the lip liner. It's a nice, deep sort of mauve tone. And then you get the corresponding lip oil with it. Oh, wow. Okay, this is really nice combo. Yeah. Oh, this is really beautiful. Look at that shade.
That is really pretty.
That is beautiful. I mean, that would work on absolutely every skin tone, every undertone. So this is an easy gift. No, this is really nice.
Here,
I actually really like this a lot.
Iced coffee?
Oh, ooh.
Caramel.
Oh, that makes me hungry. Oh, these are really nice.
Yeah, this is pretty. This is like a nude color. It like matches my skin perfectly, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's a really pretty nude.
That's very nice. Oh, wow, this is a bold red.
Oh, and you get a sample of the jet lag mask, their first product.
Look how beautiful that is.
That is really pretty.
And these are really good for your lips, like really hydrating, great for travel. Wintertime when your lips get chapped, this is a nice way to have them look good, but also avoid that chapping. Wow, these are really great lip products.
So we say this every year. October is a great time to go holiday shopping. We used to work in store and we saw a lot of gift sets fly off the shelves by October. So if you want first choice, you want that like I want that drunk elephant set real bad. Like October is the time to get it, or at least make your list and send it to whoever you think might be getting you something for sure. So don't procrastinate.
Yes. So there you have it, the kickoff to the holiday season. I know it's early, but these are really buzzworthy gift sets that you're gonna wanna get your hands on right now because they are going to fly off the shelves. So don't forget, you can shop the shelf and get them right away, and I suggest you do it. We'll see you all soon with more holiday to come. Bye, everyone.
Bye.